Got a blouse that just doesn't fit properly but has an amazing collar? Well, today I'm going to show you how to transform it into...
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this fantastically fast and fabulous project, all you need is that groovy collared blouse, a seam ripper, an upcycled necklace clasp, and needle and coordinating thread. So your first step is to simply remove that collar carefully with your seam ripper. Once you have the collar totally removed and all the little excess threads taken out, go ahead and position your necklace clasp and stitch it on. Next time you spy a less than stellar blouse with an awesome collar at the thrift shop, snatch it up and create your very own funky collar necklace in minutes. And for loads of thrifty tips, tricks, and refashionista tunes, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com and be sure to share your fave tutorials with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more sustainable, pre-loved, eco-fashion lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.